I've been kind of out of commission in the past few days because we've been working on a... William here in Pittsburgh's been helping me get this stuff squared away, and we have done a ton of stuff. Fluid in the transmission and a bunch of stuff up front, and now some brakes and some all kinds of stuff. So, and I couldn't do this if it wasn't for William, because I just don't have the know-how for this stuff. Patience,
hey,
I get.
Travis.
Patience.
Bill Gaisher, how you doing?
William's getting some parts, so getting us some
That 89 Ford
parts ordered. But yeah. So what the plan will be is, well, all new brakes on here with a new rear seal in the back, new brakes on here. We're going to flush out the pumpkin and put new oil in there. A couple new hangers on the exhaust. We put a new bushing up here in the front. We fixed some oil lines, oil cooling lines, because it's got an oil cooler and a transmission cooler. So we replaced those, fixed those lines. You can see a new bushing here. We put a new bushing in that, greased everything, oil change. As I said, we took and put a new filter in the pan underneath, and we took out all the oil, even out of the torque converter. William was able to get in there and get that plug out of that torque converter, which I didn't even know they had one. We did that. We'll get the brakes done on this side, and we should be in pretty good shape. You think my stuff is rednecky? Take a look at this thing. This is something out of the redneck Riviera right here. William, except he was going down the road with this, and the front wheel came off, had a blowout, and just ripped everything all to hell. Just went boom, 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 boom. So that's under repairs.
Oh yeah.
If you're looking for a good van, right there, California van, $8,000, ready to rock and roll. New transmission, rebuilt engine, ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, there.
Hit us up. Well, we took pictures and we got the spring kits. We got the new shoes and everything. So both sides, all new brakes, $120. My Lord, that's just incredible, because this job would have taken, this thing would have cost probably $1,400 to do. So amazing. They did change the front ones, because the front ones were brand new, but they never changed out the back, is what. And again, they weren't bad. You can see them. They're not, they're not that bad, but for the price, you may as well do it and be done with it. So that's kind of the way of looking at it. And they'll last, they'll probably last 50, 60 years, or 50, 60,000 miles, so it'll be a good shape. Be nice to say we're done with it. Anyway, William's actually adjusting the brake now, and man, we got it looking. It looks so nice. We greased everything, put all new grease in them bearings, and cleaned everything. All new brakes, shoes. I mean, it really, really does look amazing. He's just trying to adjust it so they can get them out to the drums, and that way you're getting, as soon as you hit the pedal, you're getting actual breakage. You're not just getting slack. But yeah, they're looking good, and we'll do the other side. And then we're going to get this side done too. This will be a little bit more tough because of the hub out there that kind of gets in our way of stuff. But man, what a like I said, just saved $1,400 in labor. Unbelievable. I don't know how I can thank him. It's amazing. I offered to buy him dinner, but he said, no, we're going to cook out. So we're going to cook on the grill. All right.
Well, it's not the cooking, it's the $5 beers.
That's true. It's the actual beers the beers that get us. Yeah. Dinner's $25. Beer's $35. If anybody knows how that works.
Up in a drone?
I do. Let's do it.
Come on.
I'm going on a drone shot.
Okay. Getting dark, but we'll try to accommodate you.
We're going on a drone video.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Hang on 1 second, guys.
Oh shit, start right up.
Okay. I haven't started.
Started right up.
Yeah, I haven't started since November.
Yeah.
I don't look done.
No, I know.
Yo.
Oh, look at the sunset, my friends. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Now we got to go out 60 feet.
It will do it?
Yeah.
Are you sure it'll hold us?
Oh yeah.
All right.
I'm William, and I got Wayne the shuttle bus, and he probably showed you my rig that I built on the Freightliner with the camper on the back. And I don't want to really tell a lot of myself because I don't want to be out there on YouTube.
So we got new, fairly new tires. You know, they're used, but they've got tread on the tags. We put 3 new hangers in there, a couple new bolts, couple new bolts and hangers on the catalytic converter thing. We fixed the doghouse, checked plugs, wires. We greased everything, universals, everything in there. Transmission's flushed with a brand new thing. Changed the linkage out. The linkage was wrong in this. It wasn't shifting correctly, so we changed the linkage, got that. Oil change. I mean, we did, there's just a boatload of stuff done here. And I should say William done most of it. I just helped. We stopped a little leak here in the oil cooler, and yeah, we got this thing in just, I mean, this thing is just in some beautiful condition. Next is 4 new shocks and some new airbags in the back. That we'll do that in the fall, I think. We can work our way down through this way again, maybe go to the farm and work or something. We'll stop here, spend a week or 10 days, get that done, then over to the farm, and then of course back to Florida to work on the big boat and get that ready and try and get that sold. So yeah, we did. There's a lot of work done on this thing. I mean, we greased everything. It's really running great, and it's in a major different condition now. So ready for a adventurous summer in Michigan. So we'll be getting out of here in a couple days, and we'll head back to Michigan and get all of our stuff done there. Mail, taxes, 3 doctor appointments, new glasses, and see some friends, my sister and my dad and all that stuff, and my aunts and the people at the store where I worked with, and all that. And then it'll be packing up and heading for the UP for another fishing adventure for the summer, I think. And yeah, it's gonna be sweet. Things are really plugging along on the old white elephant. Oh, we got those stickers coming too. I think they're tomorrow. Get those and throw those on, and we'll have the stickers. Oh, it's gonna be sweet. It is looking good. Hey guys, check this out. I'm bigger than what I think I am. My head's getting a little bit of swellness to it. Look at that. Pretty cool. And it was very reasonable, so that's why I did it. It was very reasonable. And my other ideas, guys, is, you know, if cops are stopped, knock on the door, you know, they see something like this, they'd realize that you're, you know, you say, hey, I do filming, and I'm, you know, doing adventure series, things of that nature. It just kind of looks like, well, it's not a hobo that's going to set up camp here, you know. Looks good. What do you think, William?
Oh, yeah.
I think it looks pretty sweet. So we're going to do the other side in the back, and we'll show you what it looks like. Look at that. Look at that. Do you see that in your rearview mirror? You'll be wanting to tune in. There's the other one on the port side. We've got one on the port side, starboard side, and forward and aft. The white elephant is now fully advertised. So whatever you do, don't forget to subscribe. Right, William?
Right.